Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a 2010 Chrysler Sebring convertible. First, you're going to need to pop the trunk and go in underneath the mat and find your jack. So I remove these screws here, which go in here and here. There's two of them. And then I gotta remove this. There's one up here. There's another one up here, which I already removed. This one.
What did that do? See?
So important part of these things is this thing slides in here and then slides out, so this can close down and push out of there. Once you get the plastic dust guard off, you have to take off this thing to get to the battery. There's another black metal bar going over the top of the battery with a plastic spacer. There's one more bolt to remove to get the battery out once you get this far. So we got that old battery out of there. The value craft.
So, the mission of changing the car battery in the Chrysler Sebring, part 2. On a 1 to 10, how frustrating is this battery replacement? 10. You heard it here, folks. Sebring. Battery replacement. Whoa, baby, watch out!
After you got the battery back in place, I will put on the positive terminal and then secure that plastic piece with the metal bar over the top to make sure the battery's snug.
Alright, look, so now the tire cover's back on. We got the new battery installed.
So basically, put the tire back on, tighten it up, tighten all the lug nuts up, and you're done. It's kind of a pain in the ass. I don't know why they set it up this way, but yep, you have to take the tire off to get to the battery.